In today's fast-evolving legal landscape, staying current on generative AI is a necessity. Lexis AI helps you keep pace with AI resources and news with two powerful tools, the AI Resource Kit and the Legal News Hub. Begin by going to Lexis AI and accessing practical guidance. Run a search to retrieve the Generative Artificial Intelligence Resource Kit. This curated collection of resources offers practice-specific insights into generative AI. Select a practice area from the Go-To menu, such as Intellectual Property and Technology. Here you will find trackers, practice notes, checklists, and articles to help you stay current on intellectual property issues related to generative AI, including the protection of AI technology under intellectual property law, ownership of intellectual property created with the use of AI, considerations for AI transactions, and the potential for infringement claims arising out of the use of AI. Updated regularly, this resource kit is your go-to hub for practical, actionable guidance on AI's legal implications. Use the icons at the top of the page to generate a link to this document, pin this resource to the Lexis AI homepage, or create an alert to be automatically notified of additions or changes to this document. Keep apprised of the latest headlines on Legal Gen AI using the Legal News Hub. Go back to the Lexis AI homepage, then click the Legal News Hub icon. Here you will find real-time feed of breaking legal developments powered by trusted sources like Law 360 and Law 360 Pulse. Browse through the headlines or run a search at the top right of the page for generative AI. Read the surfaced news articles, then expand your search to find additional legal news on this topic. From comprehensive resources to real-time updates, Lexis AI empowers you to lead with confidence in the age of legal AI. If you have questions or would like further research assistance or training, please reach out to your Lexis team.